Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best software for the screen recorder for the Windows and Mac operating system. Where exactly available this outstanding software, and software name is HitPaw Screen Recorder. So we will see detailed demonstration. Let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here HitPaw Screen Recorder. First link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. You just look at this particular software is quite amazing. Record game, screen, webcam and picture video in simple step. Trial version available. You can buy as a monthly, yearly or lifetime facilities also available. Record everything on your screen. So like screen, game, web media, if you are doing presentation, high quality presentation, so this software is quite good. You record your game and publish as a social media, record webcam during your interview or meeting, and webcam facilities available on your iPad and iPhone also. So it's quite good. We can do, first of all, just simply I download the software. So look at this as a download point of view. This is a download, and just simply have to finish the download, click and just simply drag and drop here, wait couple of seconds, and then the software are automatically display here. After installation, you just simply click here twice. So look at this here. This is a software. Record screen, record game, record webcam, capture mouse and task. And look at this here, setting menu. You click the setting menu. Some basic informations are available here. Your output location, you can change the output location, which location you want comfortable. Accordingly you select. I am selecting here as a demo point of view in desktop. So video and images comes here, so we can record as a demo point of view one screen, record the screen. So look at this here, select the full screen window or move the cursor. So I just simply select entire the screen. Now my entire the screen is recorded. If I click here as a start, so my screen are recording. So I just simply going to the click here. So now my screen are recorded here. You can click your mouse and then you can record another platform also like this. So suppose for example, currently I am recording my screen and I am saying, okay, this is Sangram Singh medium blog. You can please read this blog, how to start comedian, problem with classification, voice personalization, and you can make as a presentation, experiment and explain your video contents and publish anywhere, any social networking. So that one is quite amazing. Currently you are receiving the voice. You can tell me about in comment section the voice is really good or video clarity. So here you can pause this video, capture these pictures and picture in pictures. So some facilities are available here. You can download the software, install the software in your operating system and enjoy. So look at the screen recorder going on like this way, and then after export you can directly edit in this particular video also, like a crop. So you can crop video frame like this and then accordingly save the screen. So it's quite amazing software. The software are providing you screen recorder as well as you can edit the screen, adjust the color and some other brightness. Quite amazing. And then simply export this video and save which location you want save. So you can save this video name and the processing going on. It's very simple process to install, download and use the HitPaw Screen Recorder software. If you really like this video, so you can download, install and use HitPaw Screen Recorder software. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.